Welcome to the second episode of Worthwhile Words Wednesday. Today we're covering 3 new words for you, and they have similar meanings, so you should watch to the very end so you know when to use each word and when to use them, because they all have slightly different meanings, similar but slightly different, and usage is very important, so you need to watch to the very end so you can get the full meaning of all 3 words. And the 3 words today are paramount, eminent, and preeminent, and consummate. Let's get started. Mount, paramount, eminent, preeminent, consummate. Let's get started. Paramount means above others in rank and authority, chief in importance or effect or impact. Paramount. Here are some sentences using paramount. In keeping with his impish flair for fun and theatrics, the show itself is paramount. Drilling your employees on lockout procedures and proper equipment deactivation is paramount. Their needs were always paramount in his thoughts and took precedence over everything else in his life. Security forces can employ weapons to overcome resistance without resorting to force, their paramount aim. Here, it is paramount for the President to honor all public commitments made. Here are some collocations using paramount. The paramount leader, the paramount ruler, the paramount decision maker, is of paramount importance, is of paramount significance, is of paramount urgency, is of paramount concern too. Safety is of paramount importance. Education is of paramount importance. Health is of paramount importance. Is paramount to the success of the company. Is paramount to the plan of the company. Discipline is paramount. Confidence is paramount. Clarity is paramount. Strength is paramount. Vision is paramount. Eminent or preeminent. Eminent means high in rank or reputation. Top, distinguished. Preeminent means above or better than others in some quality. Superior or outstanding. Eminent or preeminent. Here are some sentences with preeminent or eminent. He mentions that he was an eminent sociologist and, at best, secondarily, an economist. According to the eminent modern philosopher Karl Popper, the defining characteristic of science is that its assertions are falsifiable. Many of the hundreds of doctors he trained went on to become eminent in their chosen fields. The name commemorates George Seaborg, the eminent American nuclear physicist and Nobel Prize winner. By 1704, Newton was fast becoming England's most eminent natural philosopher. And here are some collocations using eminent or preeminent. Preeminent political position. Preeminent position. Eminent professor, eminent doctor, eminent lawyer, eminent engineer. Eminent success, eminent dignitaries, Consummate. Consummate means to bring to a state of perfection, to fulfill, to bring to a state of completion, such as a business agreement. Something that is supremely skilled is considered consummate. Here are some sentences using consummate. The flavor of these chapters is due to the irony which Gibbon has employed with consummate art and felicity. He was especially famed for his consummate knowledge of the science of aviation. Wagner added all the arts to each other, and in one of them he attained so consummate a mastery that we can confidently turn to it when his words and doctrines fail us. Their policy was carried out with consummate skill and caution. In that year was taken the step which was destined to consummate the ruin of Spain. Here are some collocations using consummate. Consummate love, consummate marriage, consummate actor or actress, consummate politician, consummate profession such as consummate doctor, consummate lawyer, consummate engineer. So there you have it. 3 words: paramount, eminent and preeminent, and consummate. Now we're ready for part 2, which is the bonus section. Again, this is for more advanced students, more serious students. It's going to take you quite a stretch of your brain to really get these. These are the word puzzles. So stick to this and really make an effort. Even don't think you have to get it right. That's kind of like the schoolboy mentality. Just stretch your brain and give it a try. If you give it a try, you will get better. And there are more episodes to come. As you practice, you will start to get it. Once you get it, you're going to be so happy. So here we are with word puzzles. Okay, here's the bonus session, the word puzzles. So this is much more difficult for advanced learners only. Really, if you can do these exercises, even if you're willing to attempt, you're going to improve your English, because this is going to activate a part of your brain that will make English easier to learn. So let's get started. Again, word puzzles are words arranged in a particular order with a particular meaning. So you kind of have to guess the meaning. So this is really challenging. Don't give up if this is the first time. Go back to the first one and try and keep trying until you get it. This is really important, and when you get it, you will have such a great feeling. You'll get 10 seconds to guess the meaning of each one. So let's get started. 10 seconds. Hold. Hold, esteem. Hold in high esteem. It means you really almost worship someone. You think they're really great. You hold someone in high esteem. They're like your hero. Hold, esteem. Hold in high esteem. Here's the next one. 10 seconds. And this one is lonely at the top. So sometimes when you move up the corporate ladder, you get a promotion and another promotion. Other people don't get promoted as fast as you do. So when you get to the top, you don't have any friends. You're all by yourself. Lonely at the top. 10 seconds. See if you can guess this one. This one's a little bit tricky. Sitting at the top of the world. So you see the sitting is on top of the world. Sitting at the top of the world. That's the end of word puzzles too. I hope you enjoyed it.
I'm on top of the world looking down on creation.
And there you have it, our second session of Worthwhile Words Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed it, and join us again for another session next time, where you'll learn more words and you'll have a Worthwhile Word Wednesday.